Alicante is the capital of the province of the same name, the second most important city of the Valencian community in the southeast of Spain, by the Mediterranean Sea. It is the capital of the country of Alicante and is located in the predominantly linguistic area of Valencia. The plan is of a square type following the model of the extensions already made on that date in Madrid or Barcelona, long and wide streets that form square blocks with two main perpendicular roads and the central circular plaza. In the morphology of the expansion, the limitation of growth of the city are clearly appreciated both by the sea and by the mountains that surround it inland. The coastal situation of the city forces, as in the similar case of Barcelona, a linear growth along the coastline. The presence of the railway also imposes the existence of a wide space between the city and the coast, which in a way isolates one from the other as the train constitutes a physical barrier, a situation similar to that found in Gave in Barcelona. Types of buildings plots. For the plots are open planning and closed planning. For the buildings are individual and the collective buildings. For the ground uses in each zone in Alicante we found multiple services, residential, commercial, industrial, equipment, and etc. In Sanch, it took place since the middle 19th century as a result of the growth of the city due to industrial and commercial development. For this, the medieval walls had to be destroyed. Various areas can be seen. The bourgeois expansion, the first to be created, it seems to be the one located west of the old town, because it is contiguous and with it, with a rectangular perimeter and delimited by large avenues, one of which borders the port. The plan can be considered as orthogonal with a compact pattern in large blocks, all through not always regular. The land uses in this area will be both residential and tertiary, commercial, financial, and services. With high quality buildings, the rest of the expansion, which corresponds to the modern expansion produced through the 20th century, is determined by the railway station and the road to Madrid. On the one hand, and the arrangement of the two hills, on the other, which have prolonged the city to the west and north. The plan of these zones is predominantly orthogonal with a compact pattern in large regular blocks. The buildings are surely of lower quality and will be mainly intended for residential uses on both sides of the railway station. Where the plan becomes more irregular, there can be industrial facilities and warehouses. For example, Ciudad Jardín. It's a British urban planner, however, it did not turn out well. Neighborhoods of single-family housing with gardens, creation of working class neighborhoods of cheap houses. They are in small size and with a garden, and its low profitability.